Hey, Louise here from Louise Ellen Nutrition. Today I wanted to share with you some information about fibre. So fibre is so important for our bowel pretty much. It helps move things through so that you don't get a build-up of toxins and things like that, which you can have all sorts of bowel conditions when you're not going regularly. And if you're having diarrhea and things like that, that can cause other problems. So there are two different types of fibre. You have soluble and you have insoluble. So soluble fibre is things like your fruits and veggies that break down and they're more soluble, if that makes sense. Insoluble are things like your carbohydrates and quinoa. They're hardier and they just help move things through. So a really good source of fibre is psyllium husk. I love psyllium because this is just the brand I use. You can use whatever one you want, but psyllium is a nice natural one. It's also used medicinally, the hulls, the psyllium hulls. They call it a mucilage. So like if you've got a burn, you can make up a little paste and put it on your arm. It's really good if you've got a bit of heartburn. You can put it in water and drink it, and it helps with calming it. Not this particular one though, as it is the husk. So, but it's a really good source of fibre. So what you can use it with is that you can put it in a smoothie. You can sprinkle it on on your breakfast. You can even bake with it. So if you're making up some healthy muffins or pancakes, healthy things, you can put that in there. So you're getting enough fibre. So I just wanted to share that with you. All right, see you later.